I'm Emma, I'm a fashion stylist.
And I'm Jo, I'm one of the fashion buyers here at QVC, and we've selected some of our spring heroes to have a look at with you today.
We're going to be showing you how to style up these transitional pieces.
So one of our first key buyers picks we've pulled out today is bold print. I've started wearing the Danny Minogue printed dress. It's one of our best-selling shapes, and we've pulled out this blouse for you.
So I love the print on this. There's so many florals around. So if we're going to do some transitional dressing, I think we need to think about how we're going to layer these pieces. I love the print of your dress. I think this would work so well with a trench coat.
We've got this Danny Minogue one, which actually is really good for me because I'm petite.
And I love with the Danny pieces that it's not just petite in the length, is it?
Yes.
Everything is scaled down. So the shoulder sits perfectly, the sleeves fit perfectly. She's graded the waist so it sits in the right place. And it's just such a classic item for every wardrobe because it's so versatile.
Yeah, it's really stylish, and I love the sort of little attention to detail with the lining as well, so it feels just like a bit more premium.
I think there's lots of really great jackets coming up for spring summer. They are that perfect transitional piece when you don't necessarily want to wear your big coat anymore, but you still need that extra layer to keep you warm. One of those is a quilted jacket, isn't it?
Yeah, we've picked out a few of our buyers' favourites as well for you to have a look at.
I love the hearts. It's really unusual. It's got a really playful vibe to it with the pockets on there as well. It's just comfy, cosy, but looks great.
Yeah, it's really, really cute and just a really easy one to throw over whatever you're wearing.
I think this would look really nice with this outfit, but I do love a bit of double denim. Obviously, this is a QVC hero.
It is definitely a QVC hero. It's one of our long-standing pieces. We've got so many reviews on this one. The customers keep coming back for it. We know everyone loves it.
I think sometimes denim has that very utilitarian feel, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That kind of workwear.
Or can feel a bit boxy sometimes.
Yeah, to soften it off with a beautiful floral that has the details of the frill, it just works so nice.
Yeah, that looks really nice on you. I love that look. So our next spring look that we want to look at is knitwear. We're really loving spring knitwear here at QVC. We've pulled out lots of options to have a look at with you today.
Just gorgeous colours instantly is what I am drawn to. You know that spring is coming and warmer weather's coming when you start to see colours like this. It's dopamine dressing.
Yeah, and a lot of them are cotton knitwear as well.
Nice and breathable, but also absolutely gorgeous for layerings. There's lots of cardigans that I've been spotting.
Yeah, they're super cute. We love the cardigans, and you can have loads of fun with colour as well and layering up the outfit.
Now, I love layering. Layering is one of my favourite things to do because it gets the absolute most out of all of the pieces in your wardrobe. It means you can wear everything all year round. And this,
it's so fun. We love the vest. You'll see lots of vests on our website and lots of different ways that you can wear it and really make it look unique and personal.
Well, I think I might go put this on. What do you think?
I love this. It's so cute.
So I've gone with a classic white shirt because I think it's something that everybody has in their wardrobe, and it's such an easy way to style something up. But I do think there's lots of other ways you could style this piece as well.
Oh, definitely. Whether it's with a short T-shirt, long sleeve T-shirt if you want to make it plainer, a bit more casual. But I love the multicolour in here as well.
I do think it needs some accessories though.
Yes.
Give me a second. So I've gone for some nice silver jewellery. I think this is going to work really well with these tones. I think because I've rolled the sleeves up, it's nice to add a bracelet, bit of a metallic, just to finish the look off, and then some gorgeous little earrings that is really going to catch the light.
Yeah, I think you're right. They do just finish the outfit off. They really just elevate it a little bit.
And absolutely no outfit is complete without a good handbag. Look at how gorgeous this one is.
Yeah.
I think this is just such a great tone. And then, great pair of sunglasses. I think sunglasses are a great way to finish off an outfit. They always give that air of very kind of chic, slightly mysterious, but also super practical.
Yeah, and I love those tones with the blue as well. They work perfectly.
Well, there's definitely some really exciting pieces coming up for spring. Thank you so much for showing them to me.
You're welcome, and thank you for watching.